If you're looking to make learning more visible, active, and social, you can enable Hypothesis as a tool in your Blackboard Original course. First, I'll make sure that edit mode is on so that I can modify the course. Then I will navigate to Content, where I will add my Hypothesis-enabled reading. Once I'm in my desired content area, I'll select Build Content and then Hypothesis. Please note that you'll probably only see one hypothesis option when you click Build Content. Next, I'll name my assignment and I'll add my annotation instructions. If I want to enable grading for this assignment, I'll choose Yes under the evaluation settings. Then I can add the number of points I want to assign to this reading, and I'll decide whether to make the grade visible to students. I can also set the due date here if I'd like. Once that's set, I will select Submit. Now, I'll navigate to the assignment I just created and select the title link. This will bring up the Hypothesis file picker. This is where you will pick the file or link for the reading assignment. Your file picker may look a little different depending on your LMS setup, but you'll always have the option to enter the URL of a public web page or PDF, or select a PDF from your Blackboard files. Depending on your institution's LMS settings, you may also see options to use a PDF from Google Drive or OneDrive, a YouTube video, a JSTOR stable link, or a VitalSource eText. If you're unsure what's available, feel free to reach out to our success team with any questions. For this video, I will select a Blackboard PDF that I've already uploaded to my course under Course Management and Content Collection. When I uploaded this PDF, I made sure that the permissions allowed for my students to read the file. Some instructors find it easier to use Google Drive or OneDrive because you don't need additional permissions as long as you're adding a shareable link. I will go ahead and select my PDF file. From here, you can also enable auto-grading or set the reading as a group assignment where students annotate collaboratively within their group. For more on these settings, check out our other videos. For now, I'll leave these options disabled. Next, I'll select Continue. This will launch the assignment, and you can begin adding instructor annotations if you'd like. To review, Hypothesis allows both you and your students to write annotations and reply to each other's comments. When students open a Hypothesis-enabled assignment like this one, they'll see the reading, either a web page or PDF, along with the annotation sidebar on the right. If you'd like to learn more about adding multimedia to annotations, check out our article on how to include links, images, and videos in your comments. A few other things to note. Once your students are ready to annotate from their Blackboard course, they can select the link to launch the Hypothesis-enabled reading. Once students have made their annotations, you can either grade them using the Blackboard grading bar, or if you have auto-grading enabled, you can sync participation points directly to your Blackboard gradebook from your instructor dashboard. If you are trying to grade using the Blackboard grading bar, but don't see one enabled in your Hypothesis assignment, please contact the Hypothesis Success Team or your school's instructional design team or Blackboard administrator. For more on grading annotations in Blackboard, be sure to check out our other videos and support articles. Thanks for watching.